Hello, Frida here. Today I'm here to show you how to make an accordion pocket for your remade book. Starting with the matching green paper, measure your pages and start drawing this little design using those numbers. Make the pocket a bit smaller than the page to make it easier to reach into later. I'm gonna stop myself here and show you properly. The square that's going to be the size of the pocket. This is the fold for the bottom. Then the side folds with the 3 sections. This is the accordion part. This is the width of your finished pocket plus the extra for the accordion folds about 1 centimeter each. The height of your finished pocket plus the bottom fold 1 to 2 centimeters or so. And the length of your accordion folds, which is the height of the pocket minus the bottom fold number. Now you should be able to confidently draw the lines out on your paper. The first accordion, the actual pocket, and the second accordion. The bottom and the bottom fold. The 3 accordion parts. Scoring the bottom fold. And the sides and accordion parts. Cutting the bottom to size. Now the corners for between the bottom and accordion folds. Then just fold the folds. Burnish the folds with a bone folder. Here I got inspired and glued a piece of decorative paper to the top of the pocket. Follow your intuitions. Right, here is our book. Now let's put the pocket in. I'm placing it on the last actual page in the book. If I put it on the cover, it will be in the way for the elastic fastening that I'm putting in next. Make sure the pocket opening faces in towards the spine of the book. That way the things you put in it can't just fall out. Gluing the outermost fold of the accordion part and the bottom fold. You can do this in sections. In that case, start with the bottom fold. Here you can see how the accordion works. Let it dry under pressure. And here is the book so far. Lots of blank pages to write, sketch or create on. And the pocket in the back. Next up is the elastic fastening. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Consider sponsoring me on Ko-fi, and see you next time!